iyi seneler.
İyi seneler olsun.
İşiniz gücünüz rast gelsin. Böyle dolu dolu.
You don't have to be bored here with us. Go out and enjoy yourself.
But I'm happy here with you, Mother.
I just told him, but he doesn't want to.
You are young. If you don't enjoy it now, then when will you enjoy it?
But Mother, I am happy here with you. You are here, so I don't want to go anywhere else tonight.
How are all of your friends then? Are they at home tonight?
Don't know, but maybe.
She doesn't go out at night, does she? I think she is with her family naturally.
Look what she's doing. She managed to talk about what she wants to talk about with you.
I didn't say anything. If his friend is out, maybe he wants to go out with her too.
Father, here, this is for you.
Thank you.
And Mother?
To you, Taşaner. Have a happy New Year. I hope from now on we'll be able to celebrate the New Year together. It will be a great year. We'll have many good days ahead. Parahan is not right here now, but, oh, really? Oh, good, good. There's no problem then.
So what's the plan after dinner?
Erdogan's the captain tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I bet you will enjoy the festivities.
The ones that are the most unsuitable, huh?
Yeah.
With all of my regards, have a good night.
How chic you are. Beautiful.
Thank you very much. The girls were all getting ready, so I thought I would too.
You look so great.
Well, you're much more great than I. Well, shall we sit down? Come on, please.
My dear, Taşaner and Ender wished us a happy New Year, my dear.
I had talked to her earlier.
Yes, they told me.
Oh, you forgot to wear your necklace.
Oh yes. There was a little problem with it, so I had to return it.
I guess that's why Uncle was shouting down at the office. Call the stupid jeweler now! Call the stupid jeweler now! And get him to call me back!
Some mistakes can't be forgiven, and sometimes it takes a very long time.
I said something wrong. I apologize for that, Parahan.
All right. We are very happy that you have decided to join us. Happy New Year to you all, everyone.
Happy New Year.
It was the first year of marriage, wasn't it, Perihan? And we went out and traveled for a long time. We came back to Istanbul after 2 months.
That is us. We are planning to have a long honeymoon. We'll get off the plane and travel with a boat, then get in a car and explore new places around everywhere. I know the boat will be fun. We'll explore completely different places with the car. Then we'll get on the plane again and go somewhere different.
We did exactly the same thing, didn't we, darling?
Mm-hmm. Viral hasn't come yet?
I'll call him now.
If he won't come here, tell him to go to the club.
Traveling is very good now, I take it.
I'm always moving. I can't stay in one place too long.
You're running away from someone.
I'm not. I just can't stay in one place for long.
Perhaps there's no one good enough to make you want to stay in one place then, huh?
Perhaps tonight you will find someone, Gaye. Someone bald and great who likes to drink wine.
The way it goes, it should be someone bold and great, right? Bold and great, yeah? That's it.
Oh, sorry, it is bold and great.
Oh, here's the turkey.